Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are searching for a TV that delivers the powerful performance for both gaming and streaming, today's review is for you. We are looking at the Hisense 65 QD7 Mini-LED 4K TV, a featured pack Mini-LED smart TV that promises premium visuals without a premium price. So if you want to check this out, the link is in the description. So the biggest highlight here is the mini LED with full array local dimming. That means deeper blacks, brighter highlights and stronger contrast overall. Combined with OLED color technology, you will get over a billion shades that look vibrant and lifelike. It also supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, which is going to give you more cinematic visuals and immersive sound. For performance, you will get AI picture with a 4K upscaler that sharpens the low resolution content. Sports movies, even older shows look noticeably clearer. Then we have gamers will appreciate the Game Plus mode, which includes VRR and ALLM. That means smoother gameplay, reduced input lag, and minimal screen tearing during fast-paced action. On the smart side, it runs on the Amazon Fire TV, which is going to give you the built-in Alexa voice control and easy access to all the major streaming applications. So here, if you want a featured pack 65-inch mini LED TV that handles the gaming and the streaming beautifully without stretching your budget, then this can be a strong contender. It's not perfect, but for the money, it delivers serious performance. So if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of our future review videos. Again, if you want to check out this product, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.